In this video, I'll show you how to use Replit Checkpoints to roll back changes. First, open your Replit project and make sure you're signed into your Replit account. Next, open the Checkpoints or History area in your workspace. This is where Replit stores saved versions of your project as you make changes. After that, review the available checkpoints and select the version you want to return to. Open the checkpoint details and compare it with your current project to make sure you're choosing the correct version. Now, select the option to restore or roll back to that checkpoint. Replit will replace your current project state with the selected version, depending on the checkpoint and workspace options available. Next, test your project after restoring it. Run your application, and check the important files and features to make sure everything is working as expected. Finally, if the restored version isn't what you wanted, return to the checkpoint history and choose another saved version. It's a good idea to create a new checkpoint before making major changes so you have an easy recovery point. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Replit checkpoints to roll back changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.